Hey, Harold. Oh, hey, Zebus. Hey, look like who came in to join a magical event. There was a monkey. Woo woo! Hey, Mickey. What you been up to? Just hanging around, Zebus. Oh, hey. You mind if you want to join a magical event? Sure. But, oh, that's a lace. Oh, Mickey, can you get a lace off of me? Sure. Mm, those lace. Oh, by the way, Mickey. Oh, lace? Looks like bugs. Lace? You can eat lace from people's hair. Oh, I love lace. Oh, do Harold. Okay, Harold, hold still. It's not gonna hurt you. Monkeys love picking lace. Hey, magical. Speaking about it, speaking about it, how would you like to join a magical event? Well, alright. Hey, you can rode on Harold's back. Whoa, what are you waiting for? Let's go! 1, 2, coming, coming! Ah, here we are. Let's listen for the sound. Ah, it's coming over there. Oh, look, there are animals marching in a parade. Hey, Mickey, you see some animals marching in a parade? I seen that, Zebus. Whoa. What do you think, Mick? Whoa, that looks paradey. Animal paradey. Whoa. Hey. Let's wait for the windmill to stop and we can go. Oh, yeah. Hey, hey, you want to watch Secret of Kells? Ooh, that's my favorite. That's Harold's favorite. And my favorite, too. Giddy up, Harold. Hey, hold on tight.